Hello friends, in previous video we have taken an introduction of semantics and now we have to move its segments. Let's see. Let us now explore some of the paradigmatic lexical relations such as synonymy, antonymy, homonymy, polysemy, superordination, hyponymy and metonymy. Let's talk on synonymy. Synonymy, it is a similar words, same words. Synonyms means same name or words with the same meaning. English is rich in synonyms because the vocabulary of this language is derived from Anglo-Saxon, French, Latin and Greek languages. There are number of words derived from different languages. That's why it is rich. However, it is to be noted that though the denotative or reference meanings of the synonyms are same, due to differences in connotation, two words can never really be absolute synonyms. Two words can never really be absolute synonyms. If there are two such words, one of them will become a redundant and go out of use. Synonym nearly always means partial or near synonymy. This is not exactly what it is, a close to meaning of the another word. Let's see. The linguistic context determines which of a number of similar words should be used. For example, we talk of pupils in school. We talk pupils in school, students in university, disciples of a religious leader and learners at a motor driving school. A person with a well-developed vocabulary will know which word to use in particular context. The near synonyms can differ at least in one of the following ways. So, if the context will be changed, definitely we will use another similar word instead of, generally if we ask to someone else what is a similar word for this, we will provide 5-6 words, but they are very nearer to the meaning of the origin words. But here it is an example given by us, that is the pupils in school, students in university, a disciple in religious leader and learners at motor driving school. So that is called the meaning of the pupil, students and disciple. When we talk about the similar words, disciple, pupil and students are similar words. But when it comes to context, the meaning is quite different. It will be used at different contexts. So let's see the important points related to synonyms. The near synonyms can differ at least is one of the following ways. They may belong to different dialects or religion or regional varieties. They may belong to different dialects or regional varieties. For example, pale, pocket, lad, boy, lass, girl, tap, faucet, autumn, fall, footpath, pavement, sidewalk, etc. Footpath means pavement or sidewalk or etc. They may belong to different styles, registers. They may belong to different styles and registers. For example, cop for police, kids for children, gibberish for nonsense, cardiac arrest, it is for heart attack, comely for beautiful. So this is related to the context. Now we move to the third part of this synonymy. They may have different collocations. For example, big and large are synonyms, but big collocations with words like business. Big collocates with words like business. Business related we use big. Money and surprise. But big collocates with words like business, money, and surprise. The word large cannot collocate with the words. The word large cannot collocate with these words. We cannot say large business, large money. We can say big business, the big business, the money, or it may be we can use big surprise. Let's see, they may reflect different attitudes. For example, saying that somebody is slim or slender is different from saying somebody is skinny or scrawny. So there is a difference between the similar words according to the context, according to the attitude. Let's see, there are some examples of synonyms. Think over the context in which words in each of these pairs can be most suitably used. Abrupt, it means sudden. Agree means consent, occur, or assent. Apathy, indifference. Belly, stomach. Callous, cruel. Capture, catch, nap. Decrease, lessen. Fraud, cheat. Grief, sorrow, haste, hurry. Wonder, amazement. Neglect, ignore. Omit, delete, exclude. Drop, refuse, decline, reject, shatter, break, or worst. Suspect, doubt. These are the suitable word for the this word, that is the similar words. Let's see, next point is that is the antonymy. Antonymy means opposite words, similar words and opposite words. Antonymy, it means opposite words. Let's see. Antonyms meaning opposed or different name are words with opposite meanings. Antonymy is primarily a relation between adjectives, although it may apply to adverbs, nouns, and verbs also. Antonymy is primarily a relation between adjectives, although it may apply to adverbs, nouns, and verbs. For example, slowly, quickly, boy, girl, agree, disagree. This is the opposite words. Antonyms can be separated words unrelated, or they can be words with negative prefixes such as decent, indecent, legal, illegal, attractive, unattractive, possible, impossible. This is a we have changed here prefixes in this particular context. Antonymy is different from synonymy in that it often exists in binaries either or relationships. There are different kinds of antonyms. So let's see, fat and thin. Fat and thin can be contrasting terms, but if we study them carefully, we realize that both terms are relative to an amused norm. Such antonyms like fat and thin, big, little, hot, cold are called gradable antonyms. I repeat, fat, thin, big, little, hot, cold are called gradable antonyms. The difference between them is in difference of degree or scale, and so they can occur in comparative and superlative